If you can't remove the rotor by hand, it can be stuck, you can use these openings. You can use a screw which screws into these holes and will push the rotor away. If you don't have it, you guys can use the hammer, and you have to hit on the inside part of the rotor. If the rotor doesn't come off, you can use screws for the two openings on the rotor. If you need these, I will leave you a link in the description. And now we'll use this socket. Do them one by one on each side. And they will push the rotor away. And now it came off.